How to enable auto pickup in Free Fire. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. If you're trying to make your gameplay smoother in Free Fire, then enabling auto pickup is one of the easiest way to level up your game. First things first, launch open the Free Fire game on a device and make sure you're inside the lobby screen. Once you're inside, go ahead and click on the gear button at the top right corner and this will open up settings. After you open the settings tab, click on the auto pickup button at the top and then go ahead and click on the on button right next to each option. If you want to auto pick up weapons whenever you find them, you can turn on the weapons option. Similarly, for other items such as armors and backpacks, just go ahead and click on in all of them if you want them to be auto picked. Once you are done with it, you can also choose the auto pickup speed, whether you want it to be fast or default. I'm just going to select fast. Now you can also go ahead and switch the modes when it comes to auto pickup, and then you can choose to turn on the auto pickup option under Team Clash modes or classic modes according to your choice. Just go ahead and make your selection, and once you are done, you can head back to the lobby, and then after enabling this option, go ahead and start your game. So that's it. Now you're ready to loot faster and stay focused on the action. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.